Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Get Real, a new shortcast by Agent Elite. I'm Max Bergstrom, and today we're going to be talking about one of the most powerful strategies for real estate agents like you, how to make your listings pop with cinematic marketing, and how to use cinematic marketing to stand out online. Let's get real. Now, guys, this episode is all about the how. So we're breaking down the step by step to create cinematic content, whether that's a neighborhood spotlight, property tour, or an immersive virtual walkthrough. Okay. So hopefully by the end of this video, you're going to have actionable tips to elevate your listings and attract more buyers. I hope you actually use this info. Let's just hop in. All right. So I want to talk about creating neighborhood spotlight videos first, because these are really, really powerful and they are designed to showcase the lifestyle and appeal of the area that you are selling in. So here's how to do it. All right, now the first thing you want to do is you want to plan a storyline. You need your video to have a storyline, right? So start by identifying what makes the neighborhood unique. Is it the trendy area? Is it the coffee shops, the restaurants, the proximity to great schools, the parks or outdoor spaces? So you kind of want to decide on a theme, okay? Then you want to plan your shots to follow a natural flow. For example, maybe start at a popular local landmark, then move through the residential streets, and you could finish at a community event or perhaps a favorite local spot or watering hole. All right. Now, next, you want to get high quality footage. All right. You can use your smartphone. That's totally fine. But if you have like a gimbal or something that makes it smooth and steady, that's great. If you do have access to a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, even better, but not needed. Okay. Now, record during the golden hour. You got early morning or late afternoon. That's going to get you the soft, flattering, natural light. And then get a mix of wide shots, okay, to showcase the overall area, but then also add in the close-ups to get details, like, maybe it's a barista making a coffee or kids playing at the park or whatever. Then add personality, okay? Voiceovers, interviews, maybe write a script that explains why the neighborhood is a great place to live. Keep it conversational, keep it warm. You can interview locals, shop owners, or community leaders to add more authenticity and give it that human connection, okay? You want people to imagine what it would be like to live in this community, all right? Next, let's talk about the home tours. All right, these are going to be your bread and butter for showcasing properties in a way to make them stand out. So here's how to do it. Let's get into the step by step. One, you want to prep the property. Make sure you're decluttered and stage each room, add the fresh flowers, open the blinds for the natural light, create a welcoming vibe. I'm sure you guys are already doing this, if you have open houses and all that. But, just clean thoroughly. Nothing ruins a video more than, a dirty countertop or smudged windows, et cetera, et cetera. You can use your imagination, I'm sure. And then again with this, plan your shots out, okay? Start with, an establishing shot of the home's exterior, get the outside, kind of set the scene. You could, kind of move down the street and come in. Move through the property in a logical flow. For example, go in through the front door, explore the main spaces, then, move up to the bedrooms, the bathrooms, then maybe the back, the patio, the outdoor areas. Again, here, guys, use a gimbal for smooth tracking shots and avoid shaky handheld footage. All right. Now, you want to incorporate creative angles here as well. So a bird's eye view, maybe from a drone or a close-up of a unique design detail, like maybe the fireplace or a light fixture or something that, is featured, makes the property unique and interesting. Tell a story too. Think of your tour as a mini movie. So create a narrative. Remember, we want people to envision living here. So showcase a day in the life of a family living in the home, or you could show someone making breakfast in the kitchen or enjoying coffee on the patio, winding down in the cozy living room. Get some friends to come be in the video. It can be challenging, but this makes all the difference. Now, use natural light and supplemental lighting if needed, but turn all the lights on in the home, and then you can rely on natural light for warm and an inviting feel as well. But you don't want harsh lighting. So you want soft lights or LED panels. This can have a more cinematic look. But again, guys, you don't need to spend thousands on pro equipment. All right. To take your videos to the next level, I was talking about drones. If you want to do that, absolutely do it. If you know how to fly a drone, it's easy to learn, but these add the wow factor, okay? This highlights the property's location and the surroundings, and it makes it just look really cool, okay? So, for example, show the proximity to nearby parks or waterfronts. There's the DJI Mini, that's a great drone. You can follow, local drone laws. That's going to be really important. And if you do need a license, you can get one. But guys, it's really not as hard or as, time consuming as it looks. Now, virtual walkthroughs. You can use Matterport to create an immersive experience. This is going to allow buyers to explore the property at their own pace, which is especially useful for out-of-town clients. And hey, people are looking at properties online and they buy them before they even set foot in them, right? So scan each room thoroughly to ensure smooth transitions and highlight special features with tags or, pop-ups within the virtual tour. Once your footage is ready, it is time to edit, and editing is where your raw clips transform into polished cinematic videos. You probably think you need to spend millions, right? Well, you don't, okay? A little bit of time, or you can outsource, but you do need to choose your editing tool. So for beginners, apps like CapCut or LumaFusion are user-friendly and powerful. If you want to get more advanced, you've got your Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. They're going to have more robust features, all right? Then, guys, add music. It's so charming to add music in there and some voiceovers. These kind of put the finishing touches on it. Choose background music that fits the mood of the home or the area. For example, upbeat music for a modern home, or something soothing, for like a cozy cottage or something more laid back. And then you can record a voiceover to guide viewers through the tour. Highlight the key features, like an open concept living space, perfect for entertaining, or check out this backyard oasis, ideal for summer barbecues, et cetera, et cetera. You know what I'm talking about. And then, use smooth transitions and effects. Keep the transitions simple and clean. You don't want anything too gimmicky that can look, unprofessional. But make sure it looks smooth. Color correct your footage to ensure consistent tones and brightness throughout the video as well. All right. Now, finally, let's go ahead and talk about sharing your cinematic content, right? Because you want people to see it. So creating a great video is only half of the battle. You need to make sure that it gets seen. So how do you do that? Well, I'm sure social media is a powerful tool. So post short clips or teasers on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts to grab people's attention. And use engaging captions that highlight the home's best features, or whatever features you think are relevant. Now, you can also do email campaigns. You can embed full property tours into email campaigns and include a strong call to action. Send them over to, whatever, schedule a showing, engage with your content, watch the full video, a strong CTA to get them to further engage. And then listings and targeted ads. We talked about ads last time for hyper local marketing. So include your cinematic videos in your online listings and use Facebook and Instagram ads to promote the videos to your ideal buyer audience, okay? This is where you're targeting those specific demographics and locations to get more leads. Now, that is how, ladies and gentlemen, you create cinematic content that makes your listings pop and stands out online. From planning your shots to sharing your final masterpiece, every step of this matters, and you want to make a lasting impression on buyers. That's the name of the game, all right? So if you found this episode helpful, definitely subscribe, share, and we're going to be pumping out actionable strategies for all different types of marketing. And I really appreciate you guys watching Get Real, this new shortcast by Agent Elite. And I'm going to see you again real soon. Until then, you have a great day and Again, thanks for getting real with me. Talk to you soon.